Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So here we'll be trying to solve quadratic simultaneous equations. And over here I've presented this example. So here we've got x squared plus y squared equals 17 and y equals x minus 3. I'm going to show you guys quick and easy ways how to solve this and of course factorize the quadratic equations. Alright, so without further ado, let's go. So notice how we have y equals x minus 3. This is really nicely done, and the key idea is to replace the y here with the term it represents. So y is equal to x minus 3, replace this with x minus 3. So we should have something like this. We should have x squared plus the y squared is now x minus 3 squared, and all of this equals 17. Simple. And now we just expand it. So x minus 3 squared, well, what does it give us? This should give us a double bracket problem. And it looks a bit like this. So let's continue from down here. Okay. So we got x squared. So x minus 3 squared. This means we're going to have x minus 3 times x minus 3. Using FOIL, we're going to have x times x, which is x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. We're going to get another minus 3, so we're going to get minus 6x. Minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9. And of course, we copy the rest of the equation. Now what I want you guys to do is to throw everything on the left hand side, okay? So this means we need to put everything and equate it to 0. So collecting like terms, x squared will give us 2x squared. We got just minus 6x, no other x terms. And then we got 9 take away 17, which is negative 8. And that's it. Usually at this point, you should try and simplify this equation. That is, divide and see if you get any common factors. Notice how all the numbers are even. So you can actually divide this whole equation by 2. So you're going to get x squared minus 3x minus 4. And that should equal 0. Now this is dead easy to factorize. Okay, so the usual method is to put double brackets with x and x's. And this should just work. Now we need to ask ourselves, how do we make a 4? So what I usually do, I change the color of my pen firstly, and I try to figure out two numbers that multiply to get 4. So let's have a look. So I'll just say, let's pick this blue. Hold on. Okay. Now to get a 4, it's literally like this. We can use either 2 and 2, or we could use 1 and 4. Now, these two numbers must have a difference of 3, so clearly 1 and 4 is a difference of 3. So you can put 1 and 4. And now to get minus 3, it has to be minus 4 plus 1. And that's it, guys. You're literally done. And therefore, we can say that the values of x here would be negative 1, and the value x here would be positive 4. And now be careful. Sometimes we think we're done it, but actually we're not. Remember, we need to also find y. And thankfully y is easy. Y is literally the x value minus 3. So therefore when x equals negative 1, minus 1 minus 3 will give us negative 4. And when x is positive 4, 4 take away 3 is 1. And that's it. And here is our pair solution, guys. So yeah, so if this video helped, please give me a like and share this to your friends, etc. There's going to be many more problems like similar to these quadratic problems, so just check out the rest of my videos and my playlist. They're all in the same place. But other than that, I shall see you guys soon, and ciao.